Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Riley. As you can see, we're just going to dive right into the video of wrapping my 240. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Also guys, promo code is hoodies. Buy one hoodie and get 50% off any t-shirt. Hit the link at the bottom and happy shopping. And it ends on the 20th of October this month. Working on this car at nighttime after a long day of work could be really challenging, but if you notice how well the wrap is coming out, it's turned out really well. And I would say this is the second time wrapping this car, and I'm really satisfied at how it's turning out. I would say wrapping the fenders is the most challenging and exciting part of doing this wrap, because as much as it's like a short or small piece, just by how intricate it could get, it's crazy of how like it's as simple as it is, it could be really complicated wrapping the fenders. So like wrapping the fender is like the most satisfying part of wrapping this car. As you can see, I completed the sides and the rear, and I'm working on the front bumper. Just finished the inlays. Now I'm just working on the signals to get those cut out, so this way I could put the lights in. Right here, I'm working on the splitter for the front. Normally, people will tend to like bolt it on to the bumper of the car. I want to do a different take to this. So what I'm deciding to do is actually use the stays, you call these rods, to actually hold the splitter off the car to give it like that F1 look per se, or that rally GT type style of wing, but like a floating wing where it's not connected to the car but it's like actively on the car per se, if I'm saying that right. But anyways, it's just my design of actually doing something different from what everyone else is doing, and it's turned out pretty well. That is normal. This is what, 6 inches maybe off the ground already, and it's not even on the ground yet. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be literally sitting on the ground when I'm done with this thing. So let me go ahead and try to lower the back, because that's crazy. When raising this car up and lowering it down, I have to do it in series, which means I gotta go from the front to the back to the front. And now I'm back at the back. I'm about to go put the back. Alright, so the car is very low, as you can see. Like, you can just touch the bottom. That's how low it is to the ground. Thing is, I'm still working on the front lip, and I'm considering if I should drop it all the way, because I just need to bolt a bolt here, a hole here, and then I have this hole that I have here already that I'm gonna be using to support the lip. Now, and then I want to put another support here to basically combat that right there, that push. So I might just end up just lowering it for today, or should I just yeah, I don't know, man. This thing is coming out so great, so well. I am like really in love with it, and I am considering if I should just, because I can't drive it without the support. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the wrap. I'm so anxious to see how low this is to the ground. Like it's on the ramps right now, but it's literally a foot off the ground. So it's gonna be like low. Like it's gonna be like really low. But I can't drive the car right now anyway, so I just gotta wait until I get those supports, and once I get those supports, then I'll lower it down for you guys. All right, that's it. Right here, I'm just sanding the hood to get rid of all the unevenness, because this hood been through a lot. Yo guys, this car is actually turning out better than I actually thought. Like, it is crazy. Like, this thing is literally crazy. I never really wrapped this hood in one piece, so this is gonna be the first time wrapping this hood in one piece. And let's see how it turns out, because I am ready to take on this challenge, and let's go. To go across, it's doing this. It's like going down. I should start coming down this way. I think that's a mistake I made, but I'm going across and it's like hinking right in the middle. So we're just gonna do our best here and try to get it across. I think I should have came down the middle with it. But I am the hood done. 45%. I'm not 50% because I'm not in the center of the hood yet, but I'm kinking right here, and my arms are this long, so it's very difficult to get up there and do that. So I'm just gonna do my best here, and I don't have any help, as you can see, and it's just me bonding with the car technically. And this is what car guys do. We bond with our cars like this because we're the only ones that's working on our cars, and this is our pastime, and that's why we have a relationship with our cars.
Yo, can we say stretch right now, yo? Stretch. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Stretch, guys. Look at that. I'm not no professional. I'm just putting my hands to work. And all we got left right now is right here. Can't really see it because it's kind of blended in and the light is not that great. But look at this. Look at that. I am so proud of myself right now. So proud of myself. In one piece. But we're not, the finish line is not here yet because we got this little section right here. You can see it. But the main task was to get it across to the next side, and it is beautiful. I am impressed with myself. So let's keep chucking away.